Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried quesadillas. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need tortillas, your favorite melting cheese, and a delicious filling. Cook and season your filling to perfection, whether it's seasoned chicken, beef, or vegetables. Shred about 1 cup of cheese, like Monterey Jack or cheddar, for easy melting. This preparation ensures a smooth and tasty cooking experience. Now, let's assemble our quesadillas. Take 1 tortilla and lay it flat on a clean surface. Spread approximately 1/4 cup of your shredded cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. Next, spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious, prepared filling directly onto the cheese. Carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over the filling, pressing down gently to form a neat crescent shape. This creates a perfect pocket for frying. It's time to fry our quesadillas to golden perfection. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, such as vegetable or canola, in a skillet over medium heat. Wait until the oil is shimmering, indicating it's hot enough. Carefully place your folded quesadilla into the hot oil, ensuring it lies flat in the pan. Fry each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. This step is key for that irresistible crunch. Finally, let's prepare to enjoy our delicious fried quesadillas. Carefully remove the cooked quesadilla from the skillet and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Allow it to cool for about 1 minute. This helps the cheese set and prevents burns. Then, slice your quesadilla into 2 or 3 manageable pieces. Serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments, such as fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or sour cream, for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.